Bonjour everyone! Are you looking for an escape from the mad world we live in at the moment? Well, I've got the perfect place for you. It's called Hotel Endsleigh, it's in Devon, and it's my favorite hotel in the UK. Bonjour, I'm Stephanie, I'm a boutique hotel lover, always looking for the next best escape. So, I'm going to take you through what is so special about Hotel Endsleigh, who it is good for, and my tips to make the most of your stay at this wonderful hotel. First of all, what's so special about Hotel Endsleigh is the setting. It is just wonderfully hidden in a valley. There is no noise, there is no traffic, it's just totally peaceful. The hotel is on the top of a hill and you can slowly go down towards the River Tamar. It is surrounded by gardens that were designed by Tresanton, the famous landscape designer, who was hired by the Duke of Bedford to redesign the gardens. The hotel is actually the former hunting and fishing lodge of the Duke of Bedford. Quite a place. The second thing which is really special about Endsleigh is the atmosphere. First of all, the bedrooms. They are luxurious, but they're not bling. They have wonderful designs and decor. The colors are matching the colors of flowers in the nature. You can really relax in them. They have very nice bathrooms, marble bathrooms in general. So you leave your room, you can really enjoy the wonderful lounges of Hotel Endsleigh. Similarly, the atmosphere here is cozy, it's warm, it's welcoming. You've got huge fireplaces where they lit a fire when it gets dark and cold. You've got these lounges and these sofas that you can really relax in. You could also relax in the library, lots of books that you can borrow. But most importantly, in the library is where they serve the afternoon tea. And the third thing that makes it so special about Endsleigh is the personal care, the attention, the service. You actually feel like you're at a friend's house. A very rich friend, of course, but a friend. They welcome you, they always ask if you want something, but it's always done in a very subtle and nice way. So who is it good for? Well, first of all, for couples, of course. It's a very romantic place, and if you go as a romantic escape, make sure to ask for room number 5, which has a lovely old wallpaper as well, and a view of the gardens. You can have lovely walks together in the gardens or around Endsleigh, and then you can choose to have your dinner in one of those lounges, just the two of you by the fire, just perfect. Endsleigh is also great for families. You can really unwind together. I would recommend, if you can, to go for room number 1 or room number 2. They are suite, so they are at the top end of the price range, but they have a separate area adjacent to the main bedroom where beds for little ones can be put. Room number one is on the ground floor, and it has the added benefit of having these French windows, French doors opening onto the garden, lovely in the spring, and a massive bathroom. Room 1 is on the top floor, and you've got a main bedroom and another little lounge, and they are joined by a corridor. Room 2 is probably better if your children are a bit older. Room 1 better if your children are younger. There are also new rooms in the stable block, which are good for families, although they won't have a view of the garden. We stayed in room 18 before, which has a room with bunk beds and a TV, so kids can watch TV in bed. I mean, who wouldn't want that? If you are looking to get married, this is a perfect place for you. So couples to be, please do consider Hotel Endsleigh for your wedding. We got married there, loved it, absolutely loved it. Very good for intimate weddings. You can actually get the whole place to yourself, or you can just arrange to have some of the rooms and some of the lounges. In any case, they will make it feel like it's your place and very, very special. My tips to really enjoy a stay at Endsleigh is to go for minimum 2, if not 3 nights, so that you can really immerse yourself in the wonderful atmosphere. As I said, you can just relax in the hotel and the gardens, but it is also very well located. If you have children, there is a place 25 minutes away on the Dartmoor area with ponies. There's also the Eden Project not far away. And for everyone, with or without children, you're only 1 hour away from the south coast of Devon or 1 hour away from the north coast of Cornwall. The hotel also has an agreement with a nearby leisure center so that you can go and have a dip in a swimming pool if you fancy that. Do ask for a room with a garden view, because the garden is absolutely beautiful. And then double check on the bathroom, whether it's a bath or a shower, depending on what you like. They are not all set up the same way. But that is so special about Endsleigh, everything is unique. For more information, make sure to check my full review on the blog. The link will be below that video. Endsleigh is a luxury boutique hotel. It means that there are only 19 rooms, which is the kind of hotels I like. Small, intimate, perfectly formed, great service, great food, great setting. I mean, you will really enjoy it, trust me. So what are you waiting for? Just go and book it. Rooms start at £200 a night. It includes breakfast and the famous afternoon tea that I mentioned before, and it's really worth it. Finally, let me know what you think in the comments. See you soon. Au revoir.